Another issue, Mayor Bowser is going to China Saturday with a group of about 30 people. The CFO, Jeffrey DeWitt's going with her. Ward 2 council member Jack Evans is going, the only council member. I actually have the agenda here, which I was showing you in the documents. Nothing's on the agenda about one of the biggest issues that you've taken on in the city as the Attorney General, and that's synthetic drugs. The New York Times and the White House has called China the pipeline of synthetic drugs to this country and to Mexico. Mark Seagraves is doing a story today for News 4 about should the mayor, on this economic trip to bring more investment to the city, bring up the issue of what synthetic drugs coming from China are doing to this city and to this nation.
Well, I think
It's
the mayor,
not on the agenda.
sure, I think the mayor and the team should certainly raise issues that impact the public safety of the District of Columbia. And that is not at all to accuse the Chinese government of complicity in this, but nonetheless, the facts do reveal, and this is from DEA and FBI, that a lot of the synthetic drugs are making their way to the United States from China. We should sign some sort of memorandum of understanding or agreement whereby the Chinese government agrees to do all that it can to identify those folks who are manufacturing the drugs that are having a serious consequence on the lives of district citizens.
The New York Times reported that there are 150 or more websites from China at which you can order these synthetic drugs.
They're readily available, they're cheap, and they're unpredictable. Many people suffer from extraordinary violent reactions. I believe, Kojo, that the medical examiner is about to report that there were, in fact, 3 deaths that resulted from an overdose of chemical drugs. Those will be the first deaths from overdose of chemical cannabinoids.